business. Hi guys, how you doing? Too blessed here. And in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how you can create a website for your lip gloss business right now. See, when I know you people are searching for how to make a free website and for your lip gloss and business and all that. So that's what we're going to be creating right now. I'm going to be showing you how you can create in less than 20 minutes. You can make this kind of website, and the website will be live. And if you don't want to get a domain, you don't need a domain, you don't need a hosting. All I'm going to show you here is 100% free. How you can get your website on and running in less than 30 minutes for 100% free. So what we're going to be using to build this website is called Builder All right now. So I'm going to put a link below this video you're watching right now, so you can go get yourself Builder All right now, and you can just sign up for Builder All. You can use it 100% free. And in Builder All, you see the things you can do with Builder All. You can create a landing page, you can build an email autoresponder, VA, you can give a VA access to this Builder. You can build a perfect website, you can build unlimited, you can build magazine on this website, you can build a mobile app also with this Builder All. I'm going to put a link. You can create a Canva, you can create a telegram kind of stuff right there, mockup studio, 3D photo, animated via transcriptor. You can create a social media, you can create all sorts of things, right? You can create your own course, Instagram, SMS messages, Builder or webinar. You can create a webinar on Builder, or you can do absolutely so much more. Funnel Builder, you can create all sorts of things. So I'm going to put a link below Builder All right now in this video, so you can go get yourself sign up with Builder, or you can use it for free. And if you want some more additional app on your Builder, or then you can then pay for just more fee for a monthly fee to go on. And in this Builder that I'm going to show you, there are a bunch of courses that you can take here, new knowledge. There are courses in this Builder that you can take to do whatever. Like maybe if you need any question, ask me below. I'm going to answer your question. So here what we go to is we go to new Builder, cheater, drag and drop. Just click here. When you sign up, you're going to see this, page, and once you sign up, this is going to load right now. You see where I click this and enter here right now. We want to create our lip gloss and website. So this is loading right now. Sorry for it's taking time. Is my internet actually, my internet here is absolutely really slow right now. So here is where we are right now, and it's going to bring us, these are some of the websites that I've created here right now. I see I've created a research, I've created affiliate marketing, let it talk, connect, manifestation. I've created some of the website here. So all you just gotta do, if you have not created any site, all this is going to be blank, and all you're just going to see is all this thing at the top, and you can just click here, create new website. Just click here right now, click here, and it's going to say create a new website. So let's say we want to create a website for our lip gloss website. So let's just copy this here right now, and because you're new to this, you don't want to click this blank template. Only people who are pro, like some people will be using it for some time, that can go to this blank template. Just come here, click, select a template. These are templates that are already done for you, that you can just click this template right now, and you can start creating and you can choose a template right now, and which is what make it perfect and what make it sweet. So when you come here, when you click create a template, all you just need to do right now, just come down to this Site Express. Come to Site Express here, click the Site Express, and different site is going to load up right now. And you can see different site that has been made already for us. You can see this one is a candy site. If you have a candy, this one is a snack site, snake house. This one is interior design. You can see all these are supposed to load up right now, but I'm so sorry that they are not loading up. It's actually my internet. They're supposed to have picture like this to show you what all these sites are all about. They're supposed to load up, so you can see the kind of website that we have. Ice cream, we have financial website, we have restaurants, we have bar, we have nightclub, interior, we have all kinds of sites that have been made available for you on here right now. You can see these are eyebrow. Okay, I think this is good. So since it's with lip gloss site we are creating, so this is eyebrow. So we can just click on this. Let's preview. Click on this preview to see what this site is going to look like, guys. So just click on that preview there, and with the preview it's just going to load it up right now. Let's see another one. That the one that I actually love for this lip gloss is the one that said here, it said what's the site about. You can see we have all kinds of template right here, guys. All kinds of template that you can use. Health and food, gym. If you have a gym, you want to create a website for your gym. You want to create insurance, painting, dentist, personal photographer, travel, party, barbecue, function, suite, interior decoration, pub, nightclub, ice cream. Where is the one that I'm actually looking for right now? The one that I'm actually looking for right now is where is it? Hair and remover. No, I don't think it's the hair and remover. Okay, hairdresser. So let's see this hair and remover right now. Let's see the hair and remover. Let's see this one. Okay, this is the eyebrow. This is the eyebrow that will click on right now. So you can see, guys, this is what our site look like. Just write a short bio about your website. All this is done for you in just click all this and just edit all this. This can be you while you're working and all that, at work. Just scroll down area of service. You can leave different kind of services or product that you offer on this place for people to see. Our main services, you can list all kinds of services here right now. You can put your description, the different describe the different. We are awesome. You can put your subscriber, customers, how many customers you've had, and what your client are saying. This is testimony and all that. So guys, that's that. This is your contact. People can just contact you, send it. And with this template that you're actually using, this adds an autoresponder also, that if you create a website, if you create a contact us page here right now, and when people enter their email and details, your autoresponder, you can set that up also, that it's going to send a message directly. You don't have to be there. You might be sleeping. This is how people make money online. Actually, you can send a message to these people on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, 2. You can set a 1-year message to these people that sign up on this place on your website. That's how awesome builder all is. You can link your social media here. This is your menu, your contact details, the policy of your website. So how do you edit this website right now? How do you edit it? So we click preview the other time. So if we don't want to click, if you want to edit it, this is the website that we're viewing right now. We click preview to edit them, to view the site. So all you just need to do is just click here right now. That means you've selected it. That's where this blue box is right now. We selected it. So just click save this site. You just click save this site right now. So when you save this site, it's going to load up this site right now. And once it loaded up, you see, you can just click edit website. So once you brought that place, you click edit website, and that's where you get where you start editing your website. I'm so sorry right now, but I don't want this video to be too long actually. So it's going to load it up right now. And once it loaded up, it's just drag and drop. You can just click on the picture that are there right now. Click on there. If you said edit the picture, take out the picture that is there, put your own picture that you already have ready, put it there. You can just click the text. This is still loading right now. I will have shown you all this, how it works right now. But once it load up right now, you see the text that are above and below. You can just delete the text that are there and just go copy your own text of your business, just put it right there. And all this is just easy and set and done, and that drag and drop. So let me just pause this video right now. So guys, here is it is finally loaded up. So if you want to edit this right now, all you just got to do is just click this right now, just highlight this text, put your own text here right now. You see, I put my own text there right now. Do the same thing to this text, do the same thing to this text, scroll down, do the same thing to all this text, and just click save it, then preview it. And once you save it, it's going to be live, and you can copy the link above here and share it with anybody online like that. Guys, it's so simple, man. If you're new to my website, if you're new to my YouTube account right now, click the subscribe button below to get more details and more videos on my channel, where I'm going to be sharing you all kinds of video right now. So guys, thank you so much for this video. I really appreciate you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm going to put a link for you to get builder all down below, and